Hi everyone, welcome to Tip Time Thursday. It's another Thursday. It's pouring outside and I have some tips for you today about paper clutter. So I was just out and about and I purchased a Brother P-Touch labeler, which I need for my business. So I have the receipt. I want to keep it for my taxes, and I also want to keep it because it's warranted, so I don't want to have to worry about saving the receipt or losing the receipt. So what I'm going to do is just take my phone, open it up, take some pictures of my receipt, and then email it to myself, and then I can put the email of the receipt into my next year's tax file. I have that stored on my computer, and it's all right there, no papers or anything. And then I can also save a copy of the receipt in case something happens with the P-Touch, and I can have it under warranty. So I don't have to worry about filing this receipt. I don't have to worry about keeping it in my purse. I don't have to worry about anything because I've taken a picture of it. I've saved the picture up in the cloud, and it's going to be safe there for as long as I need it there. No need to save paper, no need to file paper, nothing. So I just wanted to give you that tip. If you're ever having trouble with too much paper on hand, you can always just take pictures of it and email it to yourself, or just take pictures of it and save it on files in your computer, and then you don't have to worry about paper taking up space, taking up too much room, setting up file cabinets, color coding everything, taking things out, putting things back in. Paper is cluttery, so just remember you have a phone, you can take a picture of stuff and just save it in the cloud. Easy peasy. And that's my tip for today on this Tip Time Thursday. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel on YouTube if you get the chance. So have a good day, everyone.